What was that? I think it was just a dream. Who the heck is making that noise? Make these noises stop.
Hello, I'm Damon.
Hello, I'm Jessica.
The Plotagon sound effects are broken, so let's tell Robot.
The sound effects machine is broken. I'll try and fix it. Okay, it's now fixed.
Oh, that's better. Oh, that's my alarm clock. You know what? I had enough of these sound effects. I'm going to hack the Plotagon dialogue category to stop these sound effects. Yeah.
Okay, Evil Dan TDM, let's watch the news. Welcome back to Plotagon News.
Evil Dan TDM hacked the Plotagon dialogue category to stop the sound effects, and that means no sound effects at all.
GRRRRRRRRRRRRR. Roar. Evil Dan TDM, how dare you hack the Plotagon dialogue category to stop the sound effects? That's it, you're grounded until another YouTuber is created. Go to your room right now. I'm going to bring the sound effects back by using Plotagon logic. Yeah.
Washington. Hey.
The end.